Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to verify if a specific user is following you on Instagram. To start, I am using this secondary account to follow my main profile. After clicking follow, I will switch over to the target account. As you can see, the heart icon at the bottom lights up to signal new activity. When you open this, it shows a notification stating that a new user has started following you. This is the most direct way to track your recent followers. If you need to check on someone who may have followed you a long time ago, first navigate to your profile and tap on the followers list. You can manually browse through everyone who follows you here. For a faster result, use the search bar at the top and type in their specific name or handle. If the user appears in the results, they are currently following you. However, if nothing shows up after entering their full name, then they are not on your follower list. That is all there is to it. It is a very simple process to manage and check your followers. If this guide was helpful, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching.